Doing another video here on my most recent build I've completed. I feel like this is my 1992 Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a right-hand drive import from Japan. I bought it bone stock from an importer up in Michigan. It was originally a 1HDT turbo diesel from Toyota. So far it's got a Dobson 2.5-inch lift. Just put on some 37 by 1250 17 Pentagonas. Got a nice Sherpa roof rack with a roam box. This thing's in great shape, no rust whatsoever. Great paint. So originally, a couple months after I owned it, I put a LT1 and a 10-speed using Torfab's kit, and then Mitch over at Swap Times harness and all that stuff. Put a couple thousand miles on that swap, and then decided to do something else. So currently let me pop the hood here. So this here is an LM2 with a 10-speed transmission. This is the 3-liter Duramax. This came out of a 2021 Silverado 1500, but they're also in, the Suburban and Tahoes and whatnot. These things come about 500 foot-pounds of torque. That's why I decided to go this way instead of a LT1. It's just a smoother power plant in my opinion. It's perfect for towing. It's perfect for long trips. Hopefully getting around 30 miles a gallon. I've only put about 200 miles on it since I've finished it, so I don't really have an accurate fuel mileage yet. So it's been fully deleted, so there's no DPF, no EGR and all that stuff. I'm using a Volvo electric power steering pump because LM2s, all new GM stuff don't have any power steering. For brakes, I'm using a Tesla Model S vacuum pump, Volvo brake booster sensor, feeding my brake booster. I'm running a 6th gen Camaro auxiliary radiator for the heat exchanger. Yeah, that's about it there. I'm still using Torfab's 10-speed to the Toyota's, the Land Cruiser transfer case. So I'm still using stock drive shafts. Pretty much transfer case, axles, drive shafts, all that's still factory 80 series. This thing only had about 80,000 miles when I imported it from Japan, so everything's still in real good, nice shape underneath it. I guess we can leave this up. Start it up for you. Runs really good. The 10-speed training of this engine is just a great combo. By the way, interior in this thing is in great shape too. The maroon with the brown and tan combo was really looking for. So currently I'm just using a edge monitor for gauges. I plan on getting some Dakota Digitals here in about a couple weeks or so. Take this for a little drive. Still using stock shifter. For some reason, this edge monitor with these newer, like when I was running it with the LT1, it would come up a lot faster, but for some reason with this, it seems like it takes forever to come up. And the sounds this thing makes is just great. For daily driving, I would put this engine transmission combo over the LT1 10-speed any day. It's just the smoothness of it. Completely blinding. Yep, that's about what it is. Thanks for watching.